Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's almost weekend Friday, September the 10th, 2021. We have here the last puzzle because I've done two puzzles. Sudoku with 3 stars and a binary puzzle. So now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more. And for 4 stars, wait, before I start, this puzzle will be number 3377. Yes. Yeah, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14. So it could be a hard one. But it could also be an easy one. We will see. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always the one. I see here a single box. Single box always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle a dual box? No dual boxes in this puzzle. Triple box then. Here we see a triple box. It contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, the 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. But I do not know in which order. Alright. And remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box, this is this inside box, could be a 4 or a 5. Because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. So it could be a 4 or 5. But we see here 4. So no 4 there. It should be a 5. Alright. Triple boxes. Do we have more triple boxes? No. Quadra box. I see here a quadra box. And if you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember the inside box. The inside box is always a 5. Alright. With 4 boxes. Don't remember quadra box, 4 boxes. I see here also 4 boxes, quadra box. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. More quadra boxes. Here also quadra box. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Same like here. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, shape or figure or construction, structure, whatever you name it. For example, this shape. Let me draw this. This shape. Alright. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. It's a 4. Alright. More. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Wow, there are 4. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 5. Alright. Then the following shape or figure or structure. How about this shape? Yeah, the shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 there. Okay. More of this kind of shape? No. No. Then the following shape, I see the L shape with 5 boxes. Oh, wait. This I need to draw the same boxes. Okay, the L shape. Here we have the L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 2. Oh, alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of the L shapes? No. And those are the figures or shapes in this puzzle. Only 3 of them that you need to recognize, but there are more, but not in this puzzle. There are more of these kind of shapes. Not in this puzzle, but in this puzzle we have 3 that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 and the 5. Alright, and these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, then this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 here. If I fill a 2 in one of those 2 boxes, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. This is a 5 and this 1, okay. Let me see. Yeah. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1, should be a 2, cannot be a 3 or a 5, and cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 2. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so these 2 boxes cannot be 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. And that box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3. Oh no. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, okay. Mistake, alright, could be happen. Okay, and now, well, I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Cannot be a 4, and we cannot be a 5 here. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 2 here. So 2 numbers left here in this quarter box for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, okay. This box cannot be a 2 That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that these two boxes cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. That box, those two boxes cannot be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes, 3 and 5. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. Let me mark those. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. That means we have the double 5 here. I cannot place a 5 in that box, because if I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. Alright. These, wait. These two boxes cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for the numbers 1 or 4. Let me mark those, 1 and a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair in those two boxes. So it cannot be a 1 here anymore, because 3 and a 5. So I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Alright. One box left in this area for number 4. Alright. Okay, let me continue. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Let me see. I think this box should be a... correction. Let me position the camera correctly. This box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5. It's definitely a 1. 2 boxes left for the numbers 4 or 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. 3 and the 4. Okay, here. Oh, the 4. The 3 and the 5. Complicated. Yeah. Let me see. I'm stuck. Well, this box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for the number 4. And now I have marked those two boxes with a 2. That means that this box cannot be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 2. Alright. That means these 3 boxes surround a 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Then let me think. Well, 1 out of 4. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we also have 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 here. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 5. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Okay. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for number 5. We have a double 3 here. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4, and that box should be a 3. Finish in 70 minutes. All right, great. Tectonic, but is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. It's a 2 stars because I'm faster than 20 minutes. Yes, a 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus, playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And we will meet you again tomorrow on a Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.